Hello everyone, myself Money. Today we are going to conduct GD on the topic things I learned in lockdown. Here, me along with my friends Kaja Hussain, Priyadashini, Sachin Kumar are going to do GD. Okay, let's start.
Hi guys, my name is Khaja Hussain. I'm from AC department, third year. Now I'm going to discuss a few things that I have learned in the time of lockdown in the past 1 year. That the things I have learned in lockdown. Usually, guys, I don't know how to use a computer, how to open a computer, how to type programming and all. But during the time of lockdown, I have learned the basics of programming, the typewriting, everything I have learned. And usually, I was very bored of whatever to read. I don't know how to read. I don't know how reading and understanding is very difficult task for me. But in the lockdown, I have been associated with many books accompanied by books, and I have been reading many story books. I have been reading some history books like Bipin Chandra, which helped me to develop my vocabulary. At the same time, I have also developed reading skills and understanding skills. And the third thing that I have learned is writing skills, which is very, very important in our life. And the writing skills is mainly whatever I have studied, I used to write. That's it, nothing more else. And the third thing that I learned is usually I was a very lazy person in general. So the third thing I have adapted in my life is the fitness, and I have been going to gym, working out. These are the things I have learned in lockdown, guys. Anyone else continue?
Uh, okay, in our lockdown, I have learned many things, especially programming. So there is much more time for us to stay in home. So we have a lot of time. So we can easily learn something new. So that's what I did. I learned many things. I read many books, and then I do many exercises. And then before that, I was bit lazy only, lazy to study and lazy to walk like that. But after we are in such pandemic, I started to um, think about myself, and then I started to doing exercises, and I started to visiting places, and then I started to reading books, and then I started to learning something new. And then in that I have learned many things. uh, okay, that's all guys. Anyone can continue.
During the lockdown, I have learned many new things like always stay healthy, keep yourself hygiene, and the family is very important, and many more things. I am also working on my hobbies like gardening, cooking, painting, etc. I have also spent amazing time with my family and get experience to me because other times they are busy with their own works, but this lockdown give me an opportunity for all my family members to spend time together. During this lockdown, I also saw that everyone
You didn't
around
turn off.
was
I
busy
didn't turn
improving their skills,
nothing off.
either be in cooking or something else. I too enjoying going through some new recipe and ask my mom to make them. Also, I learned about some basic tips and begin to work on them. I also started performing yoga in the morning to boost my energy. After a few days, my online class will begin, and I surely miss the amazing time I spent. I will be back to my usual routine, but now I have target to stay fit and healthy.
Hi guys, my name is Sachin Kumar. I am from mechanical department. In lockdown, I learned so many things I learned programming, and my father is a farmer, so I am helping my father in farming. And in lockdowns, I might many times my more times expand my family with my family. It is very amazing experience for me. And as a lockdown the resulted education has changed dramatically with the density risks of e-learning. whereby teaching in undertaken remotely and digital platform. In lockdown, so many people are facing so many problems. In lockdown, many learned about the importance of beginning creative with the scarce resource and limited physical space they had at home. Thank you.
Hello guys, this is Abdul Rahman from the Department of PCE. I have learned many things. The term lockdown was new to me as I had in these terms the first time after the world was suffering from the global pandemic. Everything happened suddenly and nothing like this has been experienced before. It is
After
said
that,
that after every 100 years a
urgent
pandemic arrives. The same happened and the world was hit by COVID-19 in 2019.
request me.
I learned farming,
Request.
I learned gardening, and I spent a lot of time with my family members. I enjoyed with them. Hopefully, I made my days happy with them. Thank you.